Bro, what's all that noise in here? Bro, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing. I was just trying to find my Cheetos.
Oh, okay. But with the hammer in your hand?
Kind of like the way it smells.
All right, bro, that's pretty cool, man. You think you can take me to the movies real quick?
I mean, I would, but I don't even have a car. Wait a minute. Yes, I do.
What is that noise? Wait a minute, don't I know you? You owe me 200K. Hey, man, pass me the hammer.